teachers, students in the yoga circle and around the world, we began this evening with the Peacock performed with the legs folded in the Lotus position. If one masters this position, the Lotus position, one will never have a problem with needing knee replacement or hip replacement if one masters the Peacock in the Lotus position. The Peacock strengthens the back, the abdominal muscles, particularly improves the digestion and elimination, tones up all the vital organs, stimulates the flow to the head. It serves as a facial massage. Peacock is one of the most spectacular movements in yoga. When one folds, one inhales himself up. This is the Peacock in the Lotus position. First, one folds the leg into a full Lotus position. And as one leg is folded, one begins to lean forward and inhale themselves up using the breath. One must have very powerful hands to perform this movement. The Peacock is one of the most spectacular movements in yoga. Until we meet again, my name is Isaac Yogi. Peace be unto you. Namaste. Breath.